One day you will stop chasing. You will stop explaining. You will stop begging for a seat at tables that never wanted you. And on that day, the people who dismissed you, who overlooked you, who took you for granted, they will feel it. Not because you told them, because you're your own. This is Stoic mental. The world afford to lose them. If you want to become that person, the one who is never chased, but never forgotten, subscribe now, because what I'm about to share will change how you see your own worth. Principle 1. Master your reactions. Marcus Aurelius ruled an empire, yet he mastered something harder, himself. Weak people react. Valuable people respond. When someone insults you, ignores you, or tries to provoke you, your silence is not weakness. It's power they cannot touch. The less you react, the more you rise above the noise, and people notice who stays calm when everything else is chaos. Principle 2. Stop seeking approval. Epictetus taught that some things are in our control, and some are not. Other people's opinions, never in your control. The moment you stop performing for approval, you stop being predictable, and unpredictable people become irreplaceable. Valuable people don't ask, "Do you like me?" They ask, "Am I becoming who I respect?" Principle 3. Detach from outcomes. Seneca warned that we suffer more in imagination than in reality. Chasing outcomes, a person, a promotion, a relationship, makes you desperate, and desperation cheapens value. Detachment doesn't mean not caring. It means caring without clinging. And people can feel the difference between someone who needs them and someone who simply chooses them. Principle 4. Build in silence. The loudest people are rarely the most dangerous. Stoics believed in quiet discipline, training the body, the mind, and the will without announcement. While others talk about their goals, you execute yours. By the time people notice your growth, you're already 3 steps ahead, and that gap is what makes you unreplaceable. Principle 5. Set boundaries without apology. A person with no boundaries has no value because they can be used infinitely. Marcus Aurelius reminded himself daily, waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one. Saying no, walking away, refusing disrespect. These aren't acts of anger. They're acts of self-respect, and self-respect is magnetic. Principle 6. Invest in yourself relentlessly. Seneca said we act as if we had endless time, yet spend it carelessly. Every hour you spend building skill, wisdom, and discipline is an hour someone else spent complaining or scrolling. Compounded over months, this gap becomes impossible to ignore. You become the person rooms go quiet for. Principle 7. Let go without bitterness. Real Stoic. Strength isn't cutting people off in anger. It's releasing them in peace. When you leave without begging, without bitterness, without needing the last word, you leave behind a version of yourself they can never forget and can never replace. That absence becomes louder than any argument. This is how the Stoics turned ordinary men into forces people couldn't ignore. Not through chasing, through becoming. If this resonated with you, like this video, subscribe for more, and remember, forge your mind, master your life.